Hey, welcome to Rock Studios, broadcasting live from the automation show floor here in Anaheim, California. My name is Andrew Ellis. This is part two of a two-part series that we're talking about where the focus is about artificial intelligence. The first part we had Jordan Reynolds here talking about Rockwell Automation's vision, where we're planning to go. And for those that were able to participate in the main stage, or at least watch the main stage yesterday and today, you got a quick glimpse at some of that. The second part here is with two guests that I'll introduce shortly, where we're talking about the actual products and solutions that align to that story that was told earlier. So if there's questions, again, please chat them into the LinkedIn session. We'll try to get to them as soon as we can. But first, introductions, Tony Carrera and Oliver Haya. Tony, I'll start with you. Intro.
Yeah, so my name's Tony Carrera. I'm the business manager for Factory Talk Design Studio.
All right, and I'm Oliver Haya. I'm business manager for our data and AI portfolio.
Awesome, thanks guys. You know, in the first session, Jordan really helped us understand the vision for Rockwell Automation when it comes to AI, talking about how AI is going to be natively integrated into all the things we do, from design to operate to maintain. And one of those key aspects of the promise of AI is improving productivity, in particular for our automation engineers or process control engineers who are writing the process software to implement automation solutions. So with that, maybe, Tony, if you can help us explain how Design Studio kind of really drives that kind of productivity.
Yeah, so from a productivity standpoint, that is really the foundation of Factory Talk Design Studio, how to build systems faster, more efficiently. And with the evolution of artificial intelligence that brought us generative AI, I think it exposed the fact that every controls engineer or automation engineer is always trying to either build tools or find tools to go faster, especially when it's valuable but lower value tasks. So that's what we're doing in Factory Talk Design Studio, bringing generative AI to design for logic systems. And it is a co-pilot offering that allows you to not only build PLC code, but it is also allowing you through a natural language prompt to ask questions about your project, or just to say, create this part of my project for me. And it's really been received great. It's a huge streamlining of being able to use a natural language prompt to get output like that and create Logic's content.
Fantastic. And for those, again, that were at the main stage, you saw a glimpse of that. And I guess I'd encourage everyone to come down to the show floor here. Technology
Yes.
and solutions
area?
Yes,
two different areas. One in the technology and solutions, that's showing the release that we're making in a couple months. So that is in our Factory Talk Design Studio 2.0 release. And in the innovation booth, we're showing some futures that aren't quite on a roadmap yet, but we're showing other things we're doing with generative AI.
Awesome, thanks, Tony. So productivity is one area where I think AI really can make a huge difference. The other is in performance of how our equipment work, our processes, and in particular, if there's a way to help automation engineers, controls engineers at the kind of the equipment level, drive performance. So I was going to ask Oliver if there's some tools that we saw actually earlier today with Guardian AI, Logix AI. Explain how they work and what the benefits are.
Yeah, absolutely. Logix AI is a fantastic tool for something called soft sensing. And this is where you have attributes that are hard to measure, but maybe key to your prediction process or key to your production process. And by estimating what values should be, predicting those hard to predict values, Logix AI can help turn regular automation engineers into AI experts. They don't need to learn the AI, they don't need to become data scientists, but they can identify key variables, make predictions of what future values should be, and then be able to drive closed loop control with that. And we've seen a lot of major producers have real world impact by using this to optimize their operations.
I think to me, the real benefit is that you've got, for Logix AI, it's a chassis or a module in the chassis. An automation engineer can do it. You don't need to be a data scientist. And similar for Guardian AI, it's right at the edge, monitoring this. That's a huge benefit.
Yeah, both Logix AI and Guardian AI can operate right at the edge. We can actually operate them as containers in industrial computers. It's really nice. Guardian AI takes a really similar approach to Logix AI, except instead of trying to predict new values for process optimization, it's an anomaly detection algorithm. It can look at your variable speed drives and detect when they are behaving differently than they've behaved in the past. But really critically, it's not just anomaly detection for anomaly's sake. We've built in first principles so that it can tell you not just something is wrong, but that your motor mounts aren't quite tight enough, or that your bearings are misaligned. And that additional insight allows maintenance engineers to save tremendous time. And the best part of all of this is that Guardian AI doesn't require any additional sensors. The variable speed drive, the PowerFlex drive, is such a powerful sensor in and of itself. We can capture all this data right off of the internals of the drive, no extra equipment required.
Fantastic. And I think it's great that these tools are at the edge, but there will always be those traditional problems where I need to collect data from multiple data sources, not just from the OT layer, but from batch systems, MES systems, ERP systems, to bring that together in a knowledge graph of some sort where I can apply traditional machine learning and AI applications. Maybe you can talk to kind of our data mosaics offering of how that fits that solution.
Yeah, FactoryTalk Data Mosaics is exactly that answer for customers to be able to build their own AI, to be able to build their own analytics and dashboards. This is a really powerful tool to contextualize data, but before we can contextualize it, we need to bring it in. We partner up with tools like FactoryTalk Optics to get data off the plant floor. We can partner with tools like historians from any vendor. Integrate those kinds of data together with ERP data, with MES data, with CMMS data, with CAD and P&IDs, and really create rich contextualized data models that can be used to build traditional ML and AI, as well as the strong foundation to start building generative AI and copilots and query engines. Data Mosaics is there to help enable customers to build their own AI.
Fantastic, and it is Automation Fair, so we've got to have some kind of new features or new product introductions that we've had. Again, if you were in the main stage today, you saw a little bit about Vision AI. Maybe you can give us a sneak peek of that.
Yeah, and Vision AI is an exciting first time ever seen here at the show. This is an automated inspection tool that aggregates data together across all of your sites to be able to build better machine learning models for things like label inspection, reading barcodes, all the things that you expect a vision system to be able to do with a layer of AI across that continues to learn, evolve, and continue to add fidelity to the models. Vision AI, Guardian AI, Logix AI, Data Mosaics, all of these products are actually available in the show floor to see today over in the Products and Technology Showcase.
Fantastic, so I definitely encourage you all to come down and check it out. There's nothing like seeing is believing. Tony and Oliver, thank you so much for being here, and thank you for listening today. Again, if you have questions, we'll take a look at those. Hopefully, in summary, you learned from session one a little bit about Rockwell Automation's vision for AI, how we want it to be natively integrated into everything we do across design, operate, maintain. And today we learned a little bit about some of the products that we have that can help address your needs. So if you're here, please come down to the show and check it out. Stay tuned for more live broadcasts coming from the show floor here. Thank you.
Thanks, Oliver.